Alright, bud. Do your thing. Letting my son figure out how to play Slime Rancher. He was struggling a little bit with the starter zone and didn't really know what to do or where to go. So I am helping him figure out how to do the starter part of this game. He will spend long periods of time in it, but he hasn't made any progression because unfortunately he can't read. So look at how much money we have down here. We have 308 coins. That says we need 450. We don't have enough. So you gotta go get some more, catch some more slimes. You gotta go get more money. So I don't know what that is. I don't think that's a slime. I think it's a Cinderace. So what you have to do, alright, so go out and catch slimes so that we can get more money. That's what you need to do. But yes, this game is pretty low stress, relaxing. Get the carrots. No, you're pushing the. There you go. Yep, there you go. You got poop. Alright, so go to the slimes and feed them. Go feed them. Hold on. There you go. Good job. Alright, now push. Now feed them that. Feed them all the carrots. Now let's wait for them. That's because you're pushing them out. Alright. Don't worry about them escaping. Let's focus on getting all the money so we can keep them from escaping, okay? Ah, I figured it out. So if we stand over here, or maybe, do we pick up the quartz? Or maybe I'm just... Alright, let's see how much money we have. Alright, so the main goal is to get money, okay? Okay, we got 508. Let's make our chicken coop taller so the slimes can't get in there and eat the chickens. Yep. So we got a higher wall to keep the slimes out. Because they were getting in there trying to hurt the... Yep. And we want the chickens to have babies so we can have food. Alright. Okay. They did. Okay, I keep wanting to go that way for some reason. Oh, the sun's going down. Let's go to bed. You see the moon coming out? Alright, so let's sleep till morning. I think so. Alright, let's return to the ranch. It's morning time. The sun just came out. Alright, let's see. I'm just curious. Alright. I don't know if that's us on the map or not. We're just gonna run around and see if we can find stuff. Oh, they ate chicken. Yeah. Huh? There's some over here? Have you been over here before? Oh, okay. Alright, so we're gonna...
I found a chicken.
You found a chicken? Oh, there's a sparkly thing over there, too. Let's see. Oh, I see it. How do you get up there, though? Oh, no. Can't get up there to get those chickens. Oh, you got eaten. I see him. Okay, we got a chicken. Let's see if we can get another chicken. Can we get... Alright. Ooh. Oh, no. I messed that up. Ooh. I actually shot... I know, buddy. I shot the chicken into the thing's mouth. I'm still learning. Ooh. Alright, let's shoot out the pogo fruit. Alright, let's get that chicken.
There's another one.
Alright, guess we'll shoot out the carrots too. Oh. Alright. What is this? Water source? Okay. Alright, let's see if we see any more tabby slimes anywhere. Alright, what's this say? Ooh, we got a bigger map, so now we can see this on the map. It would be nice if the icon was a little bit clearer on where we're located, though. I don't know what that is, sweetie. We're looking at this down here. I don't think that's eggs either. Map data acquired. Cool. Alright. So, oh, and that tree is already producing more. Faster than I expected it to, or did I just miss that the first time? I don't know. See in a second. Alright, let's see if we see any more chickens. I know, but I can't get to them up there. They're too high up. You want to try? Go ahead. Alright, wait a minute. Good job. What does this go to? What's this? A crystal? Oh, there's some more chickens. Getting all the kitties and the chickens. Alright. Okay, so these, I guess, aren't important to you, since reading's not really a big words like that. We haven't gotten there yet, and that's okay. We're learning. Oh, okay, you've been there before? Oh, okay. You opened the door. Oh my. You found a key to open a door. Okay. Hold on, let's figure out how you play this. Our character got hurt? Okay. Well, let's get back to camp. Or our ranch. So that we can drop off what we have. Those are still little. I see. Oh my gosh, they're climbing the wall. Alright, Alright, and then... Okay. I'm getting you. Yep. Oh, the cats escaped already. Cats, you are going to live here, whether you like it or not. Alright. They're still breaking in with the chickens! Alright, let's see. Can we upgrade this one? Okay. Okay. Well, so basically, we'll just have to level up your camp and eventually get you enough that Well, this is technically Mommy's game because you have your own game. Oh, goody. This is Mommy learning how to play the game so that you can ask me for help and actually progress. Okay. So, it's easier for me when it comes to doing these kinds of review tutorials of games that I can play with my child when I play it with him, so I can actually show you what I'm looking at and what... Ooh, we got an achievement. It means we did something in the game. We, I guess we, got 100 of the poop slimes. Yeah. Okay. I think there's too many slimes in the pen. Maybe that's why they're escaping so easily. Alright. See if they can escape that way. Alright, let's leave it a little open. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna catch all the extra ones we don't need. Yeah. Ooh, apparently we can only catch 20 at a time. And we're gonna shoot them out over this way, because I think when you have too many of them, it causes issues. So. Alright, because I think when there's too many of them in a camp enclosure, it causes an issue. Alright, these carrots are still growing. Yep. I don't know, apparently their poop is worth money. I don't know what their butt is. Okay. Yes, that is where the poop comes out. Thank you, dear. I am assuming it probably is, Sinky. We're just trying to reduce the amount of them coming in and taking over my chicken coop. Let's see. Okay. the striped diamonds. Oh, are they getting bigger? Okay. Interesting. Alright, so this looks like it's going to be a very long beginning starter area to work on helping my son figure out how to play this game. But, unfortunately for him, it is bedtime. So we are going to end this video here for now. And we will come back and play some more maybe tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed our beginning of playing Slime Rancher together and learning how to play. Thank you and have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is for you. He says, whatever time is big slimes. You want to say it again? Oh my. Thank you.